Hi everyone. Say for example we have a bunch of Excel files as a directory, and what you want to do, you want to make sure that potatoes is always active sheet within the file. Just show it. This can be easily done with Advanced ETL Processor. All we need to do, we need to add a relevant action, run it, and job is done. So let's start from creating a package or workflow. So let's set here. Since we have multiple files in the directory, we need to loop over them. So we have files loop. We select the file, and we need to change it to mask using star. And we're going to use loop value. So the next step is to add action called set active sheet. As you can see, it's not really that complicated. And we set the file to a loop value, and we need to make sure that it is variable. And the sheet name must be potatoes. Because everyone loves potatoes. And we need to link it and run it. See what happens. Remember the file, there's the file, double click on it. As you can see, the active sheet is called potatoes. Okay, I hope you find this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or need any help automating your Excel workflow, please go to our support forum and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.